pre-taping the thumb for our regular gamekeeper's thumb sprain of the UCL, where we have possible extension, hyperextension, and an abduction. So we're going to stop that. So two techniques. The first one I'm going to use is a Checkrein. So we still have to do our anchors. And a little hint is to actually start the anchor like our wrist one, but opposite direction. We're going to start in the dorsal side of the hand. And I'm going to loop around the hand, and you'll see in a second why. With the power flex tape, I can enclose the thumb, but I'm pulling it down into where I want it to be. If I wrap the other way, it's going to open up the thumb. So rip that anchor off, stick that down, and that's the power flex. And then we're going to use power tape, and we're going to form a fan, and that's the Checkrein. And we're going to rip our 1.5 inch in half and form a fan inside of here. So I'm going to measure up my fan, form a fan on the table. Three, 4, 5, it depends on the size of the thumb, how many strips you use. For a small hand, I'm just going to use 3 strips, a pair of scissors, stick it into the web space, and then apply it onto, so it gets in there, stick it into the web space, and then stick that onto the thumb. And then I'm going to re-anchor. So I use my power flex again to re-anchor. Get some tension out of that tape because I want to get some tension onto that Checkrein and pull it back. See, as I pull it back, it pulls the thumb down. Wrapping around. I can include the thumb in this. Fold back my fans. And that's it. That'll stop her thumb. So that's a very light support. That's her normal range of motion. There's a restricted range of motion.